Welcome back, Crypto Rico here with another one. Make sure you guys like and subscribe. Put on that bell notification so you too could be notified when we're over here experiencing the abundance of money. You guys do not want to miss out. Also, do not miss out on that $100 giveaway. Simply like, subscribe, follow me on Twitter, tag me and a friend on Twitter. That simple, that easy. Win the $100. Use the tips and tricks in the video to make it grow, or simply go spend it. None of this is financial advice. I'm bringing financial awareness to a crypto space that is changing on the hour, every hour, and those are facts. With that being said and out the way, welcome back, my fellow apes. I hope that you guys are out there shilling these videos. I just dropped a video a few hours ago, and I said that this price was going to start to go parabolic, and it's already happening. I said the minute the prices of ETH turned around, we were going to start to see these apes at $5,600. Go look at the last videos, man. I need you guys, those who are tapped in on my money bag alerts, that are eating good, congratulations. Those know that I've been covering the Gambling Apes since the very beginning. So you guys have been tapped in since when you saw some of these apes at $2,600, and now look at them. Just a few days ago, you could have copped one for low $4,200, $4,200, and I knew that this was going to happen. It was just that the Bitcoin and Ethereum was doing a correction, bringing the prices of things down, and not everybody's. This is a very new industry. This is a whole new currency. This is a whole new cryptoverse, metaverse. This is everything intertwined all at once, being changed all at once. This is amazing, and there's millions and millions of people adapting to this, and it's just the very beginning. We are so early. Please tap in on those money bag alerts. Right now it's $30 a month. That will pay itself off. That's why I got it for that. The $30 is just to get people who want that. I feel that they would want to learn. That the $30 is not going to make or break anybody. That is literally just to show that you got some meat in the game. So like that, when you put some, you got your meat in the game, a little bit, you want to like fight a little bit harder. If you just get something for free, sometimes people don't go as hard. So, if you got something that you put into it, then you'll try a little bit harder. And with those money bag alerts, that'll get you the NFT course half off. That'll let you peep game on things like this, on these gambling apes that are, just amazing. The casino's launching in 2 days, and it'll help you also if you get that technical analysis course, if you're trading these crypto assets that we're covering on the Ethereum and Binance Smart Chain network. So you guys do not miss out on these things. We're already going to be at 1.4. Let's refresh this page. We might see it happen right in front of us. And I need you guys to also go to the Twitter and hit likes, retweet everything. This is our all-time high right now. So congratulations. Let's go to volume trade. Let's see what we got trading over here. See what kind of prices we got. Because the floor prices are gone, so we could see some big ones going, but right now they're being snatched up. So right now we got all the floor prices. We got one right here for 16 racks. This was 8 hours ago. This one sold for $16,000. This ape is super fly, and he likes his ape. He or she likes his ape. So, that's their ape, and I could dig that. I like this. Yeah, that's cool. Yeah, that's awesome. Nice ape. Shout out to my fellow ape, whoever owns ape number 5935. Hopefully you're a subscriber and you've been following the channel and rocking with me. If you're a fellow ape, let me know if you're rocking with me on my Twitter, on my channel or whatnot like that, because I'm getting these out here. Let's go to the Twitter. Make sure that you guys come over here, like and retweet these things. This is very important for us. We have something to be very proud of. We have the Miami party December 18th, right after the launch. We're not going to have a party if our launch is not going to be good. So, that party is going to be epic. Shout out to everybody. You can win cryptocurrency, iced out chains, money. So just come over here. I retweeted all these from the last video I did this morning, but I had to drop another video because we're just on fire right now. And I said the minute the Ethereum prices turned around, just earlier today, they were $4,400, $4,600. And I knew once Ethereum and Bitcoin started to pick up, the cheapest one right now is $5,600. So we're talking about $1,000 increase. So that would have covered your gas fees and about $600 in profit, depending on what the gas fees were, give or take. I didn't check on them, so I can't give you exact numbers, but that's just a little rough draft or whatnot. But the casino launches in 2 days. My fellow apes, I need you guys to shill this video, get it out there. We're literally from not that far away from being an Ethereum and a half away from 1.5 ETH, which is $6,000, which is like, for real, amazing. And I got a video coming out soon. It's going to be my price prediction on Ethereum. And the reason I'm so excited about these NFTs and projects like this, earning passive income in Ethereum if you're staking your ape or whatnot like that. And also just holding one of these apes that are going to be, that they hold value in ETH. I believe that Ethereum will see a $10,000 Ethereum alone in the beginning of 2022 with all the NFTs and all the metaverses and everything grabbing traction, because everything right now is just getting set in place. We're lucky with the Gambling Apes that they did it before 2022 with the casino being launched and everything, and I give them a lot of credit for that being done, because everybody already put all that on the back burner for 2022, and right now they're just doing testing and testing and testing and testing. Trust me, I am behind the scenes on a lot of projects, so I know that that's what they're doing. So considering that I know all those things and seeing that I know this mass adoption is happening, this ape is amazing. $6 for this ape. This is an ape that, you know, when I see Ethereum being, you know, $10,000, this is an ape that I see being worth $16,000, 2022. Very simple. Like, that's what the floor is going to be looking like. To be honest with you guys, I see ETH literally being $10,000 at the very least. It's going to have to close that gap on Bitcoin eventually. And there's so many NFTs and metaverse projects that have to do with Ethereum that it's not going nowhere. That's just what it is. And ETH is going to grow. You guys are going to see it go kind of parabolic. Same thing that you guys seen with Bitcoin back in the day when it racked up from that 3,800, 4,000, that 4,600, and then out of nowhere it was like boom, 13,000. And everybody was like, what? We're going to see that happen again. So, rest assured, you guys get that money bag alerts, get you that NFT course half off. You guys will be on top of all this. This stuff, you know, I've been covering the Gambling Apes since the minting. We got this. Just shield this video, get it out. This is a hypey video for us. And just to get the word out there that we doing this, I mean, just literally hours later with just Ethereum doing a price correction, I can see us going, we're only a little bit away. We're 1 ape away from 1.4 ETH. Like, come on, that is amazing. That's $5,600. ETH still has a lot of recovering to do. So this ape right here, I could see this easily being worth $6,000 once ETH picks back up to the prices that it was about a week or two ago. So you guys continue to come back, show me some support, experience the abundance of money with me. I hope you guys really are peeping game and learning a lot, so you guys can experience the abundance of money with me. And you guys know what it is, man. Until next time, later.